everyone. I'm so happy to be back making YouTube videos on the schedule. As you know, I haven't posted a video for a long time, and that's for me switching cameras from this to what I'm using right now. So today, it's going to be really simple. I'm going to be reviewing this. And I just picked this up at Five Below, as long as Silly Putty, which I got two, mixed them together, and these huge thing of Mike and Ike's. So if I'm snacking on one of those during the video, that's why. And I will put the link in the description about the Five Below website. So yeah. So let's open it up, I think. So here are the instructions. There we go. For the first one, ingredients: half glow paint pot. So half of this with the glue. So that's pretty much all I could get of the glow paint. Mix that up real nice. And there we go. Then we have to add half a green sand packet. Oh, we should not be doing this on my pillow. So let's just mix this gauntlet, and I'll get back to you when I'm done. So that's pretty much all we have for today. Didn't really work out that well, but who cares? We had fun, and that's all that counts. So I know this is probably a pretty short video, but yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.